Welcome to this Rutland Library video. Here we will focus on how to use the library's online catalog to find materials that we own. To begin searching the online catalog, go to www.trcc.edu. Then click on ARC/Library. This will take you to the library webpage. Next, click on Search Library Catalog on the left side of the page. Using the boxes provided, you can search the catalog several different ways. The most common and all-inclusive way is to search by keyword. This method will retrieve every catalog record that contains the word or words you type. Also, if you wish to use a keyword search for a certain type of material, i.e. book, ebook, DVD, or audiobook, you can check one of these boxes to limit your search from the beginning. If you choose to use the drop-down menu to search by author, title, or subject, the format choices, book, ebook, DVD, or audiobook, disappear. Searching for author, title, or subject and the format can be searched another way using the advanced search box, which will be described later. Remember that when you use the keyword search with no limiters, you'll get the greatest number of hits. And some of these hits will likely be irrelevant. Later in this video, you will learn ways to narrow your search so that you will get more targeted results. Also remember when doing an author search to invert an author's name. Put in the last name first, followed by a comma, then the first name. Two things are very important about searching the online catalog. First is telling the catalog how to handle single versus multiple words. Remember that if you use one word, the catalog will search throughout its records for any time that word appears. When you use multiple words, place those words in quotation marks to tell the catalog that you want those words side by side. For example, if you type in the words George Washington without quotes, the catalog will look for all instances of either George or Washington. It will find George Washington, George McGovern, and Washington Irving. Using quotation marks around George Washington, however, will tell the catalog you want those words together. The same is true when searching subjects such as gun control, sickle cell anemia, capital punishment, etc. Put these terms inside of quotation marks. Second, if you wish to limit your search even more, you can use what are called Boolean operators, such as and, A-N-D, or, O-R, and not, N-O-T, as limiters. Using George Washington in quotes plus and, A-N-D, biography without quotes will bring up biographies of George Washington. This technique will also apply to Civil War or Gettysburg, or Civil War, not Robert E. Lee. Using Boolean operators as limiters can be a big help. Let's find biographies of George Washington. When you input a search, the catalog may bring up either a single record or multiple records that fit your search configuration. If you retrieve a list, you will still have to click on the records separately to get a single item. Many times, whether or not you retrieve a single record or a list, there is enough information for you to find the material you are looking for. Using the George Washington and biography list, you can see there are 152 records that the catalog has retrieved. For the book, The Problem of Democracy, The President's Atoms Confront the Culture of Personality, even the abbreviated record will show the author's name, place, publisher, and date, and the call number. The call number is what you would write down in order to retrieve the book from the shelves. Check the status of the item. This will tell you if the item is on the shelf, available. If already checked out, the record will indicate when the item is due back at the library. If missing, the status spot will also tell you if the item is off campus and sometimes the location. Clicking on the title of the item will pull up the entire catalog record. Here you will find a physical description of the book or DVD, any notes, a summary, contents, subject headings, and publishing numerics. For library users who want to limit by other material formats, by date, by publisher name, or by language, go to the Search Options box on the right and click on Advanced Search at the top. This will call up a set of choices for you to make. Look to see that the library box says Three Rivers College. Then input the limiters that you want or need. On the left, look at the top of the box of limiters called Advanced Keyword Search. Here, users have the option of combining search terms in various parts of the catalog record. For instance, if you choose to search for Hawaii in the title of the material, combined with geography in the subject field, you will retrieve materials dealing with geography of Hawaii. As mentioned earlier, you can limit searches to material type, i.e. ebooks, DVD, audiobooks, date or dates, or language. These advanced searching methods provide for multiple possibilities when searching and limiting. Please contact us in person, by email, by text, or phone if you require any help when using the online catalog. The contact methods are explained on our main library webpage. Thank you.